In this video, we will show you how to create heartbeat text effect on Wondershare Filmora video editor. What is heartbeat text effect? Okay, I will show you the demo. This is the heartbeat text effect, like the heartbeat. Okay, the effect is showing the animation like a beat. Okay, to create this on Wondershare Filmora, it's very easy, and the most important thing, it's also free. So we can just open our Wondershare Filmora video editor, and to create the heartbeat text effect, we can just easily add a text. Okay, in the titles, just type in here heartbeat. Okay, just type heartbeat, and you will see there is no diamond sign in here, so it is free. You can just click plus to add into the project. Okay, to make the text, okay, not white like this is the default. Okay, you can just double click on the text and scroll down in basic here. For the preset, just select the color you want. For the demo, I'm using this style. Okay, so when you run this project, it's like this. You can also using another one or another style you want here. Okay, to add a video, you can just add video below this, so you can adjust the size of your text. After that, you can just export to see the results. Okay, select export. Then you can open the folder, and we will see the results. This is the heartbeat one. Okay, that's all tutorial how to create heartbeat text effect using Wondershare Filmora video editor. Hope this video helpful for you.